Cathy Thomas. A big welcome to John Park, executive chef, co-owner of Toast Kitchen and Bakery in Costa Mesa. His passion for creating irresistible dishes is fueled by a desire to help those in need. He will share the secrets to his green tea soba noodles. Welcome, Chef. Tell me a little bit about soba green tea noodles.
Okay, everyone loves noodles. Soba noodles I love just because the texture has a really great chew to it. We use the green tea noodles at Toast because the extra flavor from the matcha. And great thing about soba noodles is that they're gluten-free. So someone who isn't able to have gluten normally can have these noodles and enjoy that dish.
Great. Let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make our yuzu kosho pickled onions. First thing we do is our vinegar.
And that's white distilled vinegar?
Correct, yes. Yuzu juice. Some sugar. We have 1 garlic smashed. And then this is our yuzu kosho.
Tell me about it.
Yuzu, Japanese citrus fruit. Just amazing flavor, just really floral. The kosho is the rind. They ferment and they add spices to it. So it's got a really great kick to it.
It's going to be delicious with the onions.
I hope so, yeah.
All
All we do is just bring this up to a quick boil, and then we're going to pour that over our onions, and we'll let that sit overnight, let that cool down. And this is a great pickle that you can have in your refrigerator for months, really.
Wonderful. I bet they'd even be good on a sandwich.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. Fried shallots.
This salad is great because you got a lot of textures, a lot of fresh vegetables. Who doesn't like fried food, right? So fried shallots that'll go on top of the salad. Very simple. We're gonna take our shallots, slice thin, get it into our cornstarch, and we're gonna dredge that lightly. Our oil's ready to go. So then just very carefully grab our shallots. And I always like to kind of fry away just so that oil doesn't splatter up at me.
Good tip. And you can actually buy canned fried shallot in Asian markets.
Absolutely.
But it's never pretty like this.
No, it's not, right? Drain the shallots on paper towels just so that we get rid of that extra moisture.
So now the peanut jalapeno dressing.
Yes, we're gonna throw in our heavier ingredients first. A lot of times people like to put in their liquid first. If you do that, when you have the heavy ingredients going, it's gonna splash up at you. Jalapenos.
And roasted peanuts?
Peanuts, yes.
Yeah.
We've got our sugar, shallots, garlic.
Some soy sauce.
Our white distilled vinegar. Just make sure it's on low. We turn that on.
And I can use this for other things?
Absolutely, absolutely. Different salads, it's a great flavor.
Yeah, any cold kind of noodle salad you could use this in.
Absolutely. The first thing we do is just drop our noodles into our big salad bowl. We've got our pickled onions.
Yum.
We're gonna take some red bell peppers.
And those are really thinly sliced. And some red cabbage.
Red cabbage. Shouldn't it be purple cabbage, really?
Yeah, it should
right?
be.
Yeah. Red cabbage, and then our edamame. And then we've got our peanut jalapeno dressing.
Do you want to just add enough to lightly coat the salad, or do you want to be more generous than that?
I usually go a little bit heavier just because the noodles will start soaking up the dressing. Try and go to the bottom of the bowl. Sometimes the edamame just likes to kind of hang out on the bottom. We've got some almonds, a little bit of cilantro, green onion, and our fried shallots.
Beautiful, Chef. Thank you so much for sharing this. This is such a practical, beautiful salad for people to make at home. Or they can come to Toast and get it there.
They can too, yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Here's a quick tip from Melissa's. Stir-fried noodles with their semi-firm bite and springy personality team deliciously with shredded cabbage. There are several cabbage choices. The common green, it's sturdy and crunchy textured and has a stronger spicy sweet flavor. Napa. It's usually barrel-shaped, but some are downright cylindrical. They have a mild, subtle taste, and the tender tips of the leaves are slightly less crunchy. And then there's the Savoy. It has a looser head with ruffled deep green leaves that are more delicate and have a mild flavor profile. I use fresh lo mein, egg noodles, if I've been shopping at an Asian market. Supermarkets closer to home often don't stock them, so I opt for fresh yakisoba noodles found in the refrigerated deli section. Often shelved next to the wonton wrappers, the noodles contain a packet of an oyster sauce-based mixture that I put aside for seasoning other dishes, such as roasted broccoli or asparagus. Your choice. Get the recipe at cathythomascooks.com.